This is Cody Black Outdoors.
Hey, this is Cody Black Outdoors, and today we're doing a little bit of pond fishing. Still trying to upgrade some of our fish for the Monster Bass Online Tournament. Hopefully, we can get a good one. Let's see how it goes. Alright, here we are at this pond. Gonna start off with a buzzbait. I switched it over to my loose pole with some mono. Hopefully we can get better results out of this one. Another windy day, which is why we're not on the boat. Okay. Wasn't a very big one, but it was something. It was something. Come on. One more. That was what we wanted and we missed it. Wasn't expecting it. Gotta be somewhere offshore that they're hanging out at, man. Only thing I can think. What's up, bird? Perfect spot. From this pond. How are y'all not hitting this one? I know there's one over there, dude. Oh. Gotta get it close enough to him, maybe. Walking around this whole pond with a buzzbait and only get one bite. It's crazy. Now that we know they're not that aggressive today, we gotta slow down and present them something a little slower, smaller, and more appetizing or something. Haven't even taken the backpack off yet, man. Let's go. Gosh dang it, Cody. Get that fish. I am not a jig fisherman. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. seen some better fish in this pond the last time I was here. I couldn't land them though. I think we had our first bite in this pond over here. Let's see. Little dinker bass is what I usually get from this one, but every now and then you get a good one. Feels like a better one than I usually catch. A little better than I usually catch. And we're not skunked on the day, man. That's the biggest thing for me. Not getting skunked. Come on, help a brother out. There you go. Skunk beaten bass. Nice skinny long guy. Hopefully you get healthy. Thank you. Thank you for biting. Back to back. Oh. Well, let's try it just to see. That's what's going to happen every single cast at this pond. With that, everyone wants to eat it. That's crazy. This is usually the go-to for shore spot. Hey, number 2. Oh, I made that cast like 15 times. Turtles. Little guy. At least it was a bite. Number 3 on the day. There was 2 there. Dink squad. Dink squad. Where was the second one? This is a fish I want to catch. It's like a 4-pounder. Just don't see it. It keeps swimming back and forth. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, it's giant, dude. Come on. Man, that was a massive freaking bass, dude. I don't know what to do to get him to eat, though. There it is, big old girl. Finally got one of them. We're gonna move you over here. You're not 16 inches either. Move you down here. Get away from the bed. Come on, Mama, where did you go? Come back. Found your bed. There she is. There she is. She'll be back. She'll be back. Perch in the bed now. And I fished for that one male for a while, man. Big old female swam off. Now the perch are in her bed. She should come back, I would think. She stayed here. Let me throw at her 30 times or more. There she is. Want to catch that giant female. Dang it. That's the ones we need, man. Caught the male off of the bed. Couldn't get the female to react. I think she grabbed it once, but that was... She's back. Frustrating to not be able to catch them when they're right there. I don't know how to catch her. Somebody's probably already caught her and made her mouth sore. I don't know. Don't know. But I gotta get going. How many we catch today? 3 or 4? Alright, back to our other stuff. Maybe fish the dam by the rocks. And then off we go. Crapper. Ding. Another jig fish today, baby. Yeah. There we go, baby. That might get it. Back to back cast on the rocks with the jig. See if you're 16 inches. Don't think you are. 15 incher. It's all right. Hey, this is Cody Black Outdoors, headed in for the day. Caught some fish. Didn't quite get an upgrade, but seen where a big one was on a bed, so gonna come back and see if we can't catch it another time. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good one.